laying on your back using a yoga block and a set of tune-up balls or 2 tennis balls. Place them right at the base of your occipital. And then take a few breaths and just relax the neck and shoulders. Taking full deep inhales, and then gently nod your head yes. And then shake your head no. You can do that about 4 or 5 times with each nod or shake, and repeat that process as many times as you'd like to, just gently massaging the back of the head, the base of the skull, and the top of the neck. And then rolling over onto one side, take one ball and place it behind the ear, right where the knob there is behind your ear, and rest. And then gently nod your head yes, and shake your head no. Nice and easy, once again, not big motions, nice and small. And then take that ball and put it right in front of your ear, right where the jaw connects in. Open and close your mouth a few times. And then once again doing the nodding and shaking of the head. And then rolling over onto your back again using both balls and placing them down below the base of the skull, but not all the way down to the top of the shoulders. Relax your head back. And take a few breaths and rest. And then you're going to turn your head to the right. And you can stay right there. If you'd like a little extra weight, you can bring your right forearm up to your forehead to gently draw the head a little deeper over towards the right. Nice and easy. No pushing or pulling. Still taking full deep breaths here, allowing the head, neck, and shoulders to relax. And then coming back to center. And rotate your head over to the left. And once again, if you'd like to, you can take your forearm to your forehead to gently draw the head a little further over towards the left. This is a great way to start your day or end your day. It's really great if you are feeling a little neck and shoulder tension after sitting for too long, and fairly portable. If you don't have a block, you can use a book. And there